How to clear chat history on Grok AI. Keeping your Grok chat clean is easy when you know where to find the option. Go to Grok AI, open your chat sidebar, and click on your profile or settings icon. Look for the chat history section. You'll see an option like clear all chats or delete conversation. Select it, confirm, and your chat history will be cleared. You can also delete a single chat by opening it and clicking the three-dot menu, then choosing delete chat. Clear your history regularly if you want faster navigation or more privacy in your workspace. Do you prefer keeping or deleting your Grok history? Drop your thoughts about it in the comments below. And that's how you can clear chat history on Grok AI. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.